Here I've got OUKITEL WP2 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then scroll down, locate and open display and go to wallpaper. Here it's time to select the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be live wallpapers, photos or wallpapers album, and I will pick the last one. And now just select the one that you would like to have. And let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And this is what I will pick. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new profile picture is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. So that would be all. This is how you can change wallpaper in your OUKITEL. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.